Wait, hold on. Is it playing? Oh, yeah, it is.
Yes, it's playing. Stockton.
Yeah.
Shaktina.
Stocktina.
Shaktina, the unsexy one.
No. Okay, by the way, this is Sexy Stockton, and this is Weird Day, starring the sexiest Stockton, Dark Wizard 5. And this is Cody, the cool one. CC. We'll call him CC.
Yeah. CC.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you pickles and bananas. Do your pickles and bananas. Pickles and bananas. Okay, now we're done with that. We're gonna show you his new scooter that he got. Yeah, it's electric. He's gonna demonstrate it for us right now. Aren't you? I'm on my scooter instead.
Sure.
Those are 2 other scooters.
Huh?
I have mopeds, which are way cooler, but anyways, this is still
They're
cool.
unsexy.
Oh, my mopeds are cool. I'm gonna get a pink moped, and on the back, in black letters, I'm gonna put Chickmobile. It's truthfully gay. I'm not gay. I have a girlfriend. See? Pretty freaking skills. You can do freaking wheelies. Yeah, well, this will be called New Character. Episode 1, Cody. That'll be a cool name for a video. What do you think? I think. So, Cody is gonna do something.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You're gonna dance. Dance. Or he's gonna fake flip us off. Very funny, Cody. Anyways, yeah. At the bottom of the screen, vote a 1 for least hot, 2 for kinda, 3 for in the middle, 4 for pretty cool, and 5 for sexy on Cody. Give him your close-up, Cody. That's kind of weird. And then, yeah, put CC and then your number. And this is going on to YouTube. We'll catch you later on the Weird Day series. See ya, bye.